Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to my very first YouTube channel.
I've never been on live television before.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys all being here.
Okay.
I am really excited that I'm finally doing this, that this is finally happening, and that you guys are here. I can't wait to see the community that is gonna come together because of this channel. And let me explain, why is it that I would want you to be hooked in this channel? Why do I want you to turn on your post notifications and let alone stay subscribed to me? Let me explain. In our channel, I want to focus, we want to focus solely on it being a positive channel, but a real raw channel as well. Don't think that this is just gonna be like, oh, it's all good and goody two shoes, and it's not. I mean, there's problems everywhere, but hey, you can come here and find some good positivity every time you click. What we want to do is do our best to give back to everyone that is subscribed to here. Obviously, I know we can't really personally get to everybody, but as much as possible, stay tuned, because the one that thinks they'll least get something is the one that is bound to get something. Sincerely.
Nice.
Our heart is to constantly give away, not just it being a, oh, you know what, let's get to 5,000 subscribers and then we'll do that. While I respect that kind of hustle, that's not what we're about. Whether it rains or shines, meaning likes or no likes, we want to give away to you guys who are here, faithful and watching us. So we're excited to see where this takes us. Today's opening is none other than the amazing Kanto Power Evolutions Pack. Stay tuned for the end of the video, because we will be announcing who's the winner of the Mewtwo Funko Pop and Battle Styles packs. But do not click away and watch to the very end. We might have a little surprise. Actually, we do have a surprise, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss that. Okay then, let's dive right in. Let me grab this Venusaur pack. Yeah, the one in the beginning. And, oh wait, actually, should I shuffle? Yeah, I'm gonna shuffle them. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. I think it's better when you shuffle. I don't know, I just feel like the luck changes. Probably doesn't, but in my mind it does. All right, let's start with Blastoise. This is really cool. See what we pull from this one. The opening is not so bad, actually. Code card for you. I rather give these code cards away, not keep them. Yeah, you're welcome. All right, let's see, 1, 2, 3 cards to the front. And starting off with Charmeleon. Trainer card. Poliwhirl. Staryu. Energy. Growlithe. Ghastly. Charmander. So cute. Reverse Hollow Kakuna. And for the last, nice, a cute little Chansey.
Oh my god! Wow!
Alright. Nice. Let's just admire this artwork. A little egg in the middle. It's so cute. I always think that's so cute, honestly. Let's put you guys to the side and you right here. Just have it organized. All right, Raichu for the next pack that's being opened. Code card out. Here you go, into frame. And oops, sorry. I was blocking the W. There you go. Clear, go. All right. What are we gonna pull from you? Alright, let's see. Okay. Haunter. Nice. Trainer card. Kakuna. Staryu. Onyx. Weedle. Machop. Tangela Spaghetti Mama. Charmeleon. Nice reverse holo. I like this holo. And Dragonite EX. Oh, this is so cool. Nice. I told you, fire packs.
The building is on fire.
Let me sleeve this boy up. Comment down below, guys. Share, subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Oh, and winner that I am going to mention at the end, please be sure to DM with all your basic information, like, you know, your first, your last name, and your address. Thank you so much. Okay, let me sleeve this. Beautiful. Let's admire it a little more. All right, that was really cool. Let's organize you to the side. Next pack, Charizard. Charizard. Okay, what are we getting from you, Charizard? Let's see. Code card. Here you go. All right. Now let's get this next pull. Fire packs lately. Okay. These two to the front. Okay, nice. Guys, let me know down below what your favorite pulls are from the evolution set. I mean, if you've had, even on your own, like outside of this video, what are your favorite pulls? Share it with me. Energy. Trainer. Pikachu. Look, it's so cute. So chunky. Machop. Growlithe. Onyx. Nidoran. So cute. It's hiding. Woo, reverse holo Zapdos. Super nice. Yep. And, oh, Charizard EX. This is so cool with its Japanese inscription. That is so cool. Let me sleeve you. Okay. Getting them awesome fire pulls. Yep, let's admire this artwork. Just to the side. Organize these. All right, up next, Blastoise. Let's see what we're gonna get from this one. Shout out to Poke Kid Rips and OG Collectibles. Thanks to you guys, we've had some of the greatest pulls, like outside of this YouTube, and some great laughs overall, because you guys are just funny and just fun generally when you do your openings as well. Thank you guys. You've been really supportive since the beginning. Code card for you guys. Voila. And let's just get these cards to the front. What are we going to pull from you? Starting off with Metapod, Trainer, card Energy, Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, Caterpie, Poliwag. Nice. A Starmie break card. This is a fire pull. Yeah, this is beautiful. Let's admire it. Look at this lighting. Yeah. Very satisfying to see. And behind this, Duck Trio. Nice. Who's a fan of the Alolan Duck Trio? When they get their little wigs, each of them. I just think they're so funny. Okay, next. This Charizard pack. It feels heavy. Does that mean there's something special inside? Let's check it out. Code card. Oh, get this closer in case it's not in frame. For you. We know the drill. Cards to the front. Charmeleon. Trainer card. Nidoran. Staryu. Seal. Charmander. Magnemite. Energy. Reverse Holo Kakuna again. And what do we get for the last pull? Nice! Nidoking. Holo card. This is nice. Let me sleeve this up before I keep looking at it. You know the drill. Organization. This is really nice. Fire pools over here. Seriously. Let's look at all of these pools so far. Chansey, Dragonite, Charizard, Starmie Break card, and this Nidoking. This is really cool. I really love these. Freaking awesome. Up next, this Venusaur pack. What are you gonna get from you? We shall see. Ugh, such a satisfying thing to open packs. Here's your code card. Guys, who's excited for the chilling rains? Let's talk about that for a minute. I'm super stoked actually to see the Galarian Moltres, Zapdos, Articuno. Those are going to be such great pulls if we get any of those. We actually got to open the Matchless Fire set, the Japanese one. Like outside obviously of YouTube, and hopefully we can do that more in the future. I'm super stoked to do that. Show you guys if you guys are interested in that, of course. Alright, let's go. Trainer Brock's Grit. That's a cool card. I like it. Trainer card Kakuna. Guys, seriously, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching, for staying tuned. I am excited for all these great pulls and great giveaways we're going to be giving. So don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, please, if you have not subscribed. If you're new to this channel, give it a like and share with your friends. Oh, nice! My Mewtwo! Oh my gosh, you guys know I'm obviously a huge fan of Mewtwo.
I like turtles.
So any pull, even though this is not a holo, I love this rare. It's a good one, honestly. Mewtwo's my favorite. So cute. Let's admire it for a little bit. Yep, so adorable. Let me sleeve you. No, okay, I won't sleeve you. But I could have sleeved you. That's how special you are. Let's just do that with the holos. Alright, next one. Alright, let's open you up and see what we get inside. Shout out to David. Seriously, this had been some fire pulls up to this point. I am so grateful for this Kanto power box. It's so cool. So far, what is your guys' favorite pull? Comment below. Which is your favorite? Even at the end of the video. What's your favorite? Code card for you? Okay. What do we get from you, huh? What do we get from you? Okay. Trainer card. Cuffing. Trainer. Energy. Voltorb. Tangela Spaghetti Mama. Love the creation of that name for the YouTuber that made it up. Poliwag, Seal, Charmander, reverse hollow, of course. Let's look at that shininess. Well, the hollowness, obviously. Nice! A hollow Ninetales. Look at you. What a beauty. What's next? Okay, Charizard. Charizard pack. Oh shoot, I forgot to sleeve this.
Look what you did.
Just left you on the side. I'm so sorry, Mr. Hollow Ninetales. Put you in here, put you to the side. Now we can get back to the opening of this Charizard pack. What will be in you, huh? Okay. Get the code card out. Here you are. Got it. Alright, moving on. Okay. 3 to the front. Alright, let's see what we get from you. Okay. Trainer card. Pidgeot Spirit Link. Poliwhirl, nice. Trainer, Sandshrew. Onix, Magikarp. Energy, Staryu. Hollow Raticate, nice. I don't know if I have this one. I like it. Nice. And a Beedrill. Hey, you're a cool Beedrill. Beedrills are welcome here. I love this. Super awesome. Let's see what else we can get. Okay, another Venusaur pack. Let's see what we can get off of you. These packs are not too shabby, honestly. I like them. Here's your code card. Actually, let me bring it back. Sorry, I was blocking it a little bit into frame. There you go. Okay. What are we gonna get in this one? Let's see. Oh, nice! Flying Pikachu. Did you guys get excited when it came out as an event Pokemon in Pokemon Go? If you played it, if you play it at all to this point, I still play it. Freaking hooked. Level 41, baby! Let's go. Yep, this is me. That's what Pikachu would say. Okay, up next, Coughing, Missed His Determination. Guys, I am seriously gonna not stop thanking you guys. You guys have made it so fun up to this point. Ooh, hollow energy card. Nice. This is cool. I love this. And a dugong. Nice little dugong. That's so cool. But as I was saying, yes, you guys are freaking awesome. You've made it super fun up to this point. I can't thank you guys enough that you have shouted me out, you have shared me, and we're off to a great start. May this be a reminder that you guys were the ones that started this. And I'm really doing this for you guys. The giveaways are just fun. Here's the code card for the next pack. Okay. I'm just stoked to see how we're gonna get down the line with this channel, and you guys will not regret following, trust. Okay, we got Kakuna here. Trainer card. Trainer card again. Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, reverse hollow Farfetch'd. Nice, this is super cool. And what's the last card? What are we gonna pull? Slow, slow, slow. Another Farfetch'd non-hollow. Hey, that's cool. What are the odds of getting them back to back Farfetch'd? Nice. That's funny. I'm gonna put these in their respective respectable spots later on. But I really like this. Honestly, let's take a look at all the pulls we've had. So obviously here are the promo cards. Slowbro, my Mewtwo, over there. Look at these pulls that we've got. This is fire. The Pikachu here, the Ninetales. Guys, this has been tons of fun just to open these and know that I have quite a few people actually supporting. It's great, honestly. When we talk about giveaways, it isn't just whatever, we pull cards and that's it. Actually, we've thought of pulling these cards and we want to give them away as well. So that's something else that's coming up. So stay tuned for that. So thank you so much. Thank you for all the support, all the love. So don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell button. And now, Mega Construx, also known as Legos, with Jovi Mewtwo. We're gonna be building this bad boy right now. I am really excited. I love building these things.
Pikachu?
Okay, so let's get this opened. Kind of struggle always over here, but it's okay. Who doesn't? Sometimes it seems like they put like some construction mega glue or something, you know? Alright, get all these pieces out. Something in there, so what comes inside? Obviously the booklet to know and understand what comes when, if you do not know how to build this at the top of your head. Honestly, I find it so therapeutic to finish this. This is the two of them finished. Now we have the last one. And bada bing, bada boom. We is done. Let's see. Let's see you come down the slide, you score bunny. And wee! Wow! And now announcing the winner of this amazing first giveaway. Drum roll, please, for this amazing Mewtwo and these two Battle Styles packs is none other than the amazing Mystic Rain 89. Yay! Oh my gosh, there's a lot of people cheering for you. Honestly, thank you so much. Since like you found out about our channel and everything that we were about, you've been so amazing with your interactions, super kind, and girl, I'm your fan. We decided to throw in 2 more winners to this giveaway. There's so many of you and felt like doing this little extra thing. Gonzalo_Fuentes 96. Hey, this is awesome. Let's see what you won. You got a Charmander and 2 Battle Styles packs.
Look what you did.
Dude, that is awesome. The other winner is going to be Josh Peleshupak.
Jay Quellen.
Do you mean Jacqueline?
I could have said that wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you have won an amazing Pikachu and also Battle Styles packs. Hey, you guys are super awesome. I'm not gonna lie, like we chose extra people because you guys are amazing. Our next giveaway is going to be the Dragonite Kanto Power Collection. Yo! Super cool, look at this. Oh my gosh. And also, for the second person, you will be winning this amazing Mega Construx Pokemon Lego set and a Battle Styles pack. Cause come on, who doesn't want to open cards too? So we're throwing in a little something. Stay tuned and excited. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Follow us on social media as well at Jovi Mewtwo so we can continue to provide more content.